Hey guys, Kyle at Elite Edge Gym here today to talk to you about one of our staple upper body exercises using our TRX. This is going to be all about the TRX Tricep extension. Now this is going to be an isolation movement meant to load the triceps. You really want to focus on that when you're cueing your clients on it, okay? I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate this exercise for you. And my recommendation for you is going to be to use lower set handles on your TRX, okay? Some clients are going to want to bring them up. They're better off using a lower set handle, keeping a good angle so that they can emphasize their triceps, and walking this exercise a little further out before they begin, okay? Now your foot spacing, and this is going to be one of my coaching cues for you, is going to determine the difficulty of the exercise. So right from here, if I walk my feet back, I'm going to make it harder. If I walk my feet forward, I'm going to make it a little bit easier, okay? I'm going to second step, bend at the elbows, point my elbows forward, get a good stretch in my triceps, and pass my TRX strap handles right by my sides of my head, okay? So from here, I'm going to extend straight out, get a good stretch on my triceps, right like so, as far back as I'm able, and then extend, right like this, okay? Next coaching cue for you, you will see people in class that will start to do this. Dip their elbows down and push back up like that, okay? It's not a push-up, it's a tricep extension, it's an isolated movement meant to use your own body weight, so focus on having them keep their elbows pointed out and keeping them tucked in, extend out like this, and then encourage them to use their triceps as they extend out straight like that, okay? Modified options for you if somebody's really struggling with the exercise. Best thing to do, have them take a step forward to start off with, or have them start with the handles a little bit higher, okay? If they continue to really struggle with it, have them try doing something like a band overhead press out. Something like that will help them out a lot. Performs a similar movement, engaging our triceps as the TRX Tricep extension, but it's a little bit easier to pick up to start off with. Anyway guys, give those coaching cues a try the next time we do TRX Tricep extensions in one of our workouts.